Okay, so now we're ready to put this in. So all of these lines are going to go down the hole, okay? Once I get them down in there, we're going to slide them through this, and it's going to go like this. First the rubber ring, then the steel ring, and then the attacher. So that's how it's going to set, like that. And then I'm going to tighten it all the way up underneath here, from underneath. And this is a whole different system than the other one. I've got to put all of these through here once I've pushed it down in there. So I'm going to put these right now under here. So they're ready to go. And then we can go ahead and slide that bad boy in. Gonna grab her. And let's put these down in through here. Just like that. Get them all in. All the way down. And bam. There we go. Now I got to go underneath there and tighten it down. All right, so first we want to put the rubber one on, right? We got to pull it all the way through. Just like that. And we're going to put the steel one on. We're going to push this stuff all the way through, just like that. See if you guys can get a little better view of this. Now, we got to put these through here, smush them all the way down, and bam, there we go. So take a look. Now it's ready to go up and screw on there. And then I just got to pull all this stuff through. All right, let's do it. And I've got to screw that up on top there, and just going to slide it up. Got to get it over all these spots. And once I get it up there, it should be okay. Might have to push these over them. You know what I mean? Like that. There we go. Now let's get this up there. Yeah, there we go. Just gotta get it started. Righty-tighty. I think I got it. So I think we're tightening it. Question is I'm probably gonna have to get another type of tool to tighten this thing, because as you see, it's, look at that. It's gonna take a while. But I'm getting there. Oh yeah. Okay, that's on there. All right, let's go check it upstairs and see how we're doing. See what's going on there. Okay, so there we are. So this is going to be out here, and this has to be here, like that. So I think that's, the question is, how does it feel here? Feels pretty good. Kind of like it. I think it's going to work. We got to put the weight on, and we got to do some more stuff. But that looks pretty darn good, you know? Looks pretty good so far. All right, let's finish her up. Next, we got to put some plumber's tape on that and connect our hot cold water lines. Okay, so let's get her on there. Got a nice cut on it. Reach in, slide it, bring her around. I think that should do it. That's some good tape. That's some pretty good taping. All right, I'm getting in deep. All right, here we go. There we go. Whoops. Okay, I think that should do it. All right, so this is the cold, this is the hot. Cold is blue, so we gotta get the blue one on there. All right, blue. Let's get it on. All right, we gotta start it. I think we do. Let's see if we can get the red on. We get them started. And then I can put the wrench on them. Yep, that's it. Okay. So always remember, cold is to the right, hot is to the left. Right now we just got to tighten them down. All right, so when we're tightening it, we got to have this on this side, right? So we're going to go like that. You follow me? Because we got to turn it to the right. And what's nice about it is I don't have to, you know, adjust the wrench each time. It just does it for itself. But we gotta get it all the way down. We gotta get it tight so we don't see any rips. Let's see. Let's try this. This is faster.
How's it go?
So far, so good.
Really?
I'm putting the water lines on.
You're almost done?
Well, I'm done with the faucet. I still got to do.
Did you do the lines with plumber's tape?
Yep. What do you think? I didn't put plumber's tape on there?
No.
Do you think I'm
I think of
stupid?
everything.
I'm dumb? I got to put the weight on.
You gonna put the what on?
The weight on.
It's still dripping.
Yeah, I know. That's not. I don't like that. Maybe when I open it up, it won't. All right, so we got the hot water. We're tightening down. Get her tight. All right. See how this one is. All right. I think we're going to be good. Of course, I won't know until I turn the water on. But I don't see the drip coming anymore. Right now, we can turn on the water and we can see if it works.
Really?
Yeah.
I just saw a drip somewhere.
There's this. I got to put the weight on this. So it's going to be right about here.
Are you talking to me or that?
I have to put the weight on here.
Do we have to put the weight on it?
Yeah, I got to put it right here.
Why? Why do we need to wait? Just wondering.
Well, so it pulls back up.
Yeah,
Otherwise, it'll just hang out.
Yeah, but it's not. Oh, I see. After you pull it.
Yeah. The weight goes right where this yellow thing is. All right, so I just got to pop this open. Ow, mother fudge cakes. There it is. That hurt. That pinched the shizzles out of me. So now I got to set this on there. So let's spin around. All right, now I'm just going to go right like this. See that? And I'm going to close this right there. And bam, Bob's your uncle. We got a weight on there. All right, now let's try it again. Look. So I'm going to pull this like that, and it comes down. So we got the weight on. We got the cold and hot water on. I don't know if she's not really happy with it, but we're going to go ahead and put the garbage disposal on now. And it's pretty simple. We just slide it on there, and we just got to make sure we have this one side lined up with all these things that we need to put on there. And I'm just wondering if I should clean some of this mess off of here. So this and this have to be on this side because I've got to attach this back here. I got to attach that to that. So I've got to get it slipped in there so that these are facing that way. Here's the little clip. It slides right on here and locks in there. I've got to kind of aim it like this, and then I've got to get this little piece here, and then I might put my screwdriver in here and then turn it this way, and that should lock it down. All right, so this is going to come up here.
Need help?
Now, just got to figure out where it goes, get it on there. Okay, I think we got it on there. Yeah, that's it. I do believe we've got it, don't we? Should be it, right? Okay, so that's there. Now, gotta get this on here. I wonder if I need to tighten that more. There we go. I think I got tightened. Let's loosen this a little bit so we can get it on there. I think that's good, right? Let's tighten her down. We'll find out if I got this thing on right. You want it tight. You know what I mean? Right, that should do it. Put this way. Shove this under here. Huh. There we go. That's the ticket. And then we get it right about there. And now I can lock that down tight. And that should work. I hope. Find out. Oh, shit. Hit the camera. All right, let's get this side. That should be good. Try this one here. I think that should do it. Tighten that, baby. This one's already on. And of course, don't forget to open your two valves, your cold water and your hot water valve. Otherwise, you won't have any water coming through. All right, all I gotta do now is I think plug it in. I don't remember. I think it goes over here, or maybe here. Honey, do you want to turn off the garbage disposal so I don't get electric?
It's off.
You sure?
Well, yeah.
Wait a minute, hang on. Is it off? All right, so it goes here.
Honey,
Wait a minute.
I'm confused because...
Well, there's 4 plugs and one of them is the garbage disposal, so I don't know which one it is.
So this is the light.
All right, let me see the garbage. All right, let's run some water through it and see if I get it right.
Do you have a bucket?
No, just
In
do
case-
it.
No, I mean just so you have it.
All right, go ahead.
Turn it on.
All right, we're doing it.
And it,
I don't see any water.
when would we see it? Right away?
Yeah, you'd see it right away. Go ahead and turn the garbage disposal on. Is it draining?
Yes.
All right,
All good?
I think so.
Wow. All good?
Apparently. I think we got it done.
Back on and off, huh?
Yeah.
Right.
We got her done. That's it right there. Everything's been put back together. Looks pretty good.
Trash here.
Turn the water on. It works. Fantastic. Bam. Bob's your uncle. If you like this video, my girlfriend loves this, her new faucet. I think. I don't know. Maybe not.